So friends, today I'm showing you this bingo game. This is a AMOR Presents fun bingo game with the bingo cards for kids. So this is used for a good Christmas or any vacation. It's a good play. It's very popular game among kids, and this is how you can play with it. You have to cut out those stars and other card with the name on it, and then you have different cards that you can distribute to the different players, and then one by one you pick up one and cross or put the star on those cards. So whenever the diagonally you have those fives, then whosoever get the first one will win. So this is how the cards came. So these are the marks, like whenever anyone have those ones that come up, they put this on the top of their own cards. So below is the same with those ones. So it's a really good cards, I can feel, and they had the pre-cut, so you can cut those, and these are the cards that have the names on it that you can pick from the box. You can cut all those cards and put it in a box so that you can put it, and one by one you can take it. So these are the cards distributed to the players, each player, and whosoever have the diagonally 5 ones will win. So this package includes 24 sheet of bingo card, 2 sheet of calling card, 24 pattern blocks with word on these 2 cards, and you need to cut them off before playing. So, and more than 630 pieces of the star shaped chips. This is the same, you can just take it out. Same with the name card, you can take them out and then put it on the bingo card like this. So these are like the paper boards, sheets that you can play. So these are the dimensions of these bingo cards that comes in this pack. This is how you cut out the name cards and the the chip cards. The kids like how they play with the team. Yeah.